This here's my new pit box. Pretty pumped about it. It's actually my old pit box from a long time ago. Gave it to somebody, they left it outside. I got it back for free. Now it looks like shit. Now I'm gonna do some work on it, make it look good again. Welcome to today's video. What's going on YouTube? Landon Huffman here, back with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's upload. Today we're going to be working on my old pit box slash new pit box. Going to try to inject a little TLC in her and bring her back to life. She's been sitting outside and she's a little worse for wear, but we're going to do a little work on her and see what we can get out of it. But with that being said, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting on, man? Go ahead and smash that sub button. We are on our way to 9,000. It's free, obviously. It helps our channel. I really want to hit 10K, and you guys are helping push us forward. So if you're watching this video channel for the first time, make sure you smash that sub button, man. All right, let's get into the video. Let's see what we can do to her. All right, so this is my box in all her glory. Obviously, in her heyday, got like a little shitty Miata going by or something. In her heyday, she was a nice box. Started off blue, then we painted it gray. Now it's like a blue-gray. I'm gonna hit it with lacquer, clean a bunch of, oh my God, man. I'm gonna hit it with lacquer thinner, clean up all this rust and crap where it's set outside, try to sand down some of the spots. I don't think I'm gonna repaint the actual gray frame, but it does have like all these body panels that go over top of it. And I think what I'm gonna do is paint them flat black and then paint the bars that go over top of them flat black. But it's got a lot of room for stuff in here. We kept jacks in here. There's room for all of our sway bars. Obviously like a box that goes here, and then there's this little divider drawer here so we can put tie wraps. Basically anything in here, bump stop stuff, whatever we want to add to this, we can add. So yeah, could be a nice little box, just needs some work. So not only do I want to like put it back together like it was before, but I thought it would be funny to get like some old bass boat seats or maybe like some cheap new ones from Walmart or something and build me like a little platform to put on top of it and mount those bitches to it, and then make like a little rack or something out of aluminum to put like our iPad or a laptop or something on for race monitors. So hell, I don't know, maybe that's a little over the top for what we've got going on right now, but at this point I just need to get it back together and you know, get me a box that I can actually put a toolbox in and all that shit and actually roll in and out of the trailer without having to mess up my shop one. The Apple weather app lies. It said like 75 degrees. Man, it's hotter than damn four-pecker billy goat out here, I tell y'all. It is not 75 degrees right now. I think I can get away with leaving all of the gray or silvers still silver and just repainting the actual body panels the flat black, and it'd be looking okay. Alright, this thing's gonna need a little more work than I first anticipated. It is dirty as all get out. Underneath it, everywhere is dirty. I've got a lot of these panels off, so I'm just gonna, this is definitely gonna be at least a two-part video in between race weekends or whatever. If you guys give a shit about this, if you want to see the progress of this thing, let me know in the comments yes to make multiple videos, or nah man, I don't give a shit about that thing. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, damn. Wynn's glass cleaner from about 1991. I've about got all my spots sanded that I want, but I'm gonna push it in here, vacuum it out one more time, vacuum out all the cylinders and stuff because they got damn wasp nests and stuff all in them. Once I get that done, I'll be able to kind of figure out which panels I want to keep, which ones I want to paint, etc. There is Frankie sitting patiently, ready to rock and roll for Hickory in 2 weeks because it rained us out last week. My grandpa just bought me some paint that we can use. He had some older paint down there in his shop. Silver aluminum. It might not match the silver exactly, but I guess if I wanted to do that, I could at least cover up all these spots that are rusted once I get them sanded down, and it'll look decent even though they're going to be covered up. I could at least still throw some paint on them. So one new thing I'm doing here on this channel, some of you may know about it, some of you may have never heard of it, but on YouTube there are channel memberships, and I just recently got approved to do the Team 75 membership here on this channel. So basically you can pay $4.99 a month to be a premium member on our YouTube channel here, and you get early access to all of my merchandise 24 hours ahead of time, because you guys know how quickly we sell out. That's going to be a thing. You're also contributing to our own track efforts with all of the, any couple of dollars that go to us go straight to the program. And there's going to be some other perks and things that go along with that as well. Member-only live streams and things like that. But I'll leave a link to that down in the description if you're interested. Check it out. Join Team 75. So the good thing here is all of my, let's see, this goes this way. All of my body panel pieces are going to, I believe they're going to all line back up. So like this goes here. I'll repaint it flat black and it'll go over this whole back of the cart. It all should go back on there like it's supposed to, hopefully. I've decided, I've already sanded all this down. So I think I'm just going to hit it with lacquer one good time and then just paint over all this. Even though it's going to be partially covered, I'm just going to paint it for the hell of it. All right, this is definitely going to be a two-part video if you guys want it. If you'd like to see the end result or the progression of my old, new, refurbished, kick-ass toolbox, let me know in the comments to make a second one. If you want one, hell, I'll put one up tomorrow. Obviously, we don't race this week, so I got to do something for videos. But that's kind of where we're at. Everything's sanded down. Try to get it painted tomorrow, and then start going through what of these body panels or pieces I want to put back in it, drawer wise, all that good stuff. Some of it's clean, some of it's not, so I'll do that tomorrow as well, but I'm done messing with this thing today. All right, guys, people of YouTube and random folk everywhere watching this random ass video, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting my channel, supporting my racing, and all those good things. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button per usual. We're on our way to 10K. And if you're interested in the $4.99 channel membership, go check that out. Like I said, I'm about to have a complete restock on all of my merchandise, and everybody that does that membership deal will get 24 hours access to all of that prior to it selling out. So an easy way to make sure you secure that merchandise, hat, whatever you guys are interested in. Other than that, I will have more perks coming along through that deal as I learn more about it or figure out other things to do. If you guys have any ideas of, I guess, perks or benefits from being a member of the channel that maybe I could give you guys, by all means drop it in the comments as well. Other than that, thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.